Guys, so today we're making a little banner, and again, this is for this autumn fall swap that I did over at Coffee Cake and Crafting on Facebook page with Tiffany McGill. So we had to make 3 of these, okay, and I think that I double layered them, but I think they came out to be like 4 by 6 or 4 by 5. They weren't very big, they were pretty tiny, and I really had a good time making these because they were so small. I didn't feel like I was overwhelmed with trying to fill spaces or anything. They were so cute, you guys. So you'll see here in a second. But yeah, I just doubled it up. I went ahead and used my fall paper again. I think it was by Cartabella and Echo Park. I went ahead and posted some other videos, and I'll go ahead and link those down below or up here in the video for you, and you can click on those and check those out. So I went ahead and grabbed my little crocodile thing and punched a hole in on top of each of the banners way up on top, so that way they could go ahead and thread the twine or whatever they're going to use through the little holes so they could hang up the banner for Thanksgiving or fall or whatever. Or the other thing is, you guys could use these for cards too. I mean, they are so stinking cute. They could fit right on top of a card front and decorate your card really super cute. You could use them on a scrapbook page or in a mini album. These little banners were so stinking cute, and I want to say they were 4 by 6, but I want to say now that I'm looking at it, it might have even been like 3.5 by 5 or something. They weren't very big, you guys. They were really small, so it was really nice to work with. Then I went ahead and placed a little sticker border up on top of the very top of the banners there, and I used foam tape to, or yeah, like foam strip to like make it 3D. And I also used a lot of the foam tape on the words to make them pop up a little bit. I thought that would look really cute and give like a little 3D type look to it. So I went ahead and now I'm just sharing with you like what the banners look like up on top, and I went ahead and cut out some scallop circles, and I just thought that those looked really nice on there. I like it how it really embellished the little pie circle up on the one little banner off to the left hand side. And then here I'm sticking on one of the trees from the sticker sheet, and some little leaves and an owl, and I thought that he looked super cute. And I was gonna leave the owl and the tree and the leaves and everything on there, but then I started looking at it and it just looked a little bit plain to me. I don't know why, it just looked plain. So I changed my mind. I took everything off, and I just was gonna use the little jar with flowers, but then changed my mind on that one. I was gonna use this little pumpkin here, but then I changed my mind. So I just kind of played around with all of the little stickers and everything, and so here I decided to go ahead and take off the tree and the owl, and decided to go ahead and punch more of those little scallop pieces and use those for like the to hold the main image of my little stickers. So here I placed the little tree on there, and I thought that looked a lot better. I left a few leaves on there because I thought that they added a nice touch to the banner with the tree. Next, I went ahead and grabbed that little cute turkey, and I put him in the middle of another scallop, and I just thought that the scallop pieces added a really nice touch to the banner. It gave it a little bit of dimension, and so I really liked how that looked. So the next thing I did is I went ahead and grabbed some more stickers from the sticker sheet, and I just embellished all of the banners, and once I got all of my main pieces on there. So now I'm just going to go ahead and share with you the decorating of each of the banners. Okay, so here are my little pennants that I did for the swap. Super easy peasy, and I used the little stickers that were in the paper collection. So yeah, so I think that they turned out so cute, and then I added some like little baubles to the little pennants. I think they turned out so cute. So cute. So there we go. So the next thing we're going to do, and I'm going to go ahead and share with you real quick the little notebooks that I made. Okay, we just finished a tutorial on that. And then the link to this I will put down below. And it is just a little tea holder. And then on the inside I stamped something for them. So cute. So okay, so those are some of the things that I've already made. The next thing we're going to make is the 3x3 card for the swap. My card will be a little bit bigger because I'm using this super cute little mushroom die. And this die was gifted to me by Kimmy Murray, and for my birthday, I believe last year. So stinking cute. So it just gets put together something like this. Okay, and we're going to make this into a little card, and I am super excited about this. So, but I just wanted to share this with you real quick. I am going to be doing the tutorial next for this little card, and I will share that with you soon. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you can be updated on all future upcoming videos and tutorials.